Okay, so here's the second trade in the gold, and again, relying on these same levels, and it just continues to prove how valuable they are once they're confirmed in this market. So the purpose of this video, again, on December the 14th, trading the February gold contract, is to demonstrate the areas and how to identify a confirmation at these areas. We've been trading in a 5-point range, basically, between 1700 and 1695. We started to make our way back down into support and really didn't have a clear bar here that we could rest something like this that says, okay, this is a reversal. However, we did have a reversal bar here, and then prices maintained that area, dipped down a little bit here, and then started to move to the upside. This is a pattern that I've seen before many times. And logically, really, we tried to work our way down. We spent a very brief amount of time down here. These lows were rejected by the markets, and then we started to create a little bit of a base in here. So I took along for the purpose of getting just back up into this area that we've been discussing, right at this red line at 68.5. Was able to get a point out of it. Again, very consistent with a limited amount of risk here. A little bit more risk, actually, than the previous trade. But again, very consistent. In fact, I probably would just go right underneath of this low of this bar to determine whether or not this trade is going to work. It's a very quick trade with a very realistic and conservative objective, very consistently pulling another point out of this thing.